Come on. Sweat.
I've got an internet crush. She's not a celebrity, but she.
Good morning. Time check is 8:45 na ng umaga. At ayan, maraming ganap today. So, i-walking ko na si Diva ngayon na din. Kasi may lakad ako ng 11. Pero bago kami pupunta sa golf court, kung saan kami parating nag-walking, ay punta muna ako ng Lidl saglit. Bibili ako ng flowers kasi para kay Elaine, kasi siya yung susunduin ko mamaya, siya yung kasama ko for lunch. So natingin ako sa aking side rear mirror kasi may mga estudyante nang dadaan dyan sa may harapan, so ayoko silang, alam mo nun, magbabaking ako. So mag-drive lang muna ako, ha. That's done. 2 flowers, 1 for Auntie Jones and 1 for Elaine. So, tingin ko lang yung pupo bag at saka yung treats. Alam niyang nandito na kami kasi na ako. Agad lang siya dito. Kasi kagabi pagka-uwi ko galing kay na Ate Gloria, gusto ko siyang i-walking. Kaya nilagay ko siya dito sa kaisang jacket ko. Ang problema, ayaw niya mag-walking! So, let's go. Nandito tayo sa golf course. As usual. Kasi, accessible. Pwede ko sing, bitawan si Diva yung sa leash niya. So, makakapag-run siya. At saka, kilala na ako ng mga tao dito, mga groundkeeper. So, let's go. Hello, gorgeous girl. Oh, diba? Ang dami kong basura. So, yung mata niya hindi ko pala nalinisan this morning. So, kailangan ko munang linisan bago kami mag-walking. Come on. So, diba? Ayan na siya. So, hakaran siya. I-stop siya ng ganyan. Feeling niya may tinitingnan siya. Kasi minsan maraming tao dito. Yung mga groundkeeper. Good girl. Paghinga ang paglanghap ng sariwang hangin. Ang paghinga, ang paglanghap ng sariwang hangin. Very good. Against the light. So dito tayo sa natural light. We are back dito kung saan kami nagsimula. Hi! Say hi! Say hi! Are you happy now? Are you happy? Come on then, let's go. Dibs, would you like to come later on? Tita Anna want to meet you. Tita Anna, not Tita Ann. Okay? Come on then, let's go. Because Mommy needs to get ready as well. Time check is 10 o'clock na ng umaga. Sasampay ko lang itong nilabhan ko. I'm gonna do a quick hover sa living room at saka sa kitchen. Tapos, magbibihis na ako. So, hindi ko na ipapakita sa inyo yung aking pag-hover kasi mabilisan lang to. Okay, see ya! Tapos na akong mag-hover. Saglit lang talaga. Time check is 10:20 na. So, meron na akong 25 minutes para magbihis. Hindi na ako maglalagay ng, ng colorete sa mukha. So, bag ko yung black kong na long jump. Black jumper na lang ako. Tapos, straight cut na pantalon. Alright. Yung sapatos ko sa baba na. Okay? See ya. Come on. I'll give you something. I'll give you some treats. Ayoko siya dyan. Kasi aakyat na naman yan sa mga dito, oh. Time check is 10 to 11 na ng umaga. At ako'y susunduin ko na si Elaine. So, let's go and drive! Diba? Mag-drive na tayo. Dito na ako. Hintayin ko na lang siyang lumabas. I'm just gonna give this to her so she can put it in the water. The view is so good.
Oh, I got a nice smell there.
Smell, yeah.
Did you get a nice smell?
Very good, isn't it? Just gonna go men's buy. Just gonna buy a men's buy. Pauwi na ako. Nabisita ko na yung dalawang dapat kong bisitain. But I'm quite happy sa result. So I'm back home. Let's check kung ano yung ginagawa ng aking aso. Hello! You're limping! Hi! Go! Go na! Hi! Careful. Good girl. Have fresh air there, okay? So, time check is 2:45. 3 na ng hapon. Pipick-upin ko lang si Sky sa Invergordon and we're going to Neuroborg. Si Diva ay nasa likod ng sasakyan kasi gusto siyang ma-meet ni Anna. So, ayan. Diba? Ang aking Diva. Someone's wanted to meet her. So, let's go. The weather is changing. It's a bit raining. Nagdi-drizzle siya. So, I just need to concentrate in my driving. Then you film yourself. Say something as well.
Hello.
Sleeping. Sleeping! Did you see the Aurora Borealis gala? Huh? Hello, Diva. Is she thirsty?
Yes.
Yes? You think? Yes? What are you doing? What are you doing? Ano siya? Day, tanawa. Ha? Nagsumbong na, nagsumbong. Oh!
Let's give it that for a second. No, we should.
Oh, it's on the other side of the field. Okay. Okay, it's on the other side of the field. You can't do that. You're waiting.
What's that?
Ayan.
Hi.
Dahil dito natin maglagay na ano, dahil. Magpa-lash lip, dito ka na mag-massage. Panisahan na lang.
Manhip ako diri day. Layo aday. Uy, ang ako mga client.
Kaya mo mga client na from Inverness. Ari na lang.
Diri sa inyo, ha?
Ha?
Layo apod, uy.
Why not? Mag-sit up ko, uguan diri. Magkuha akong certification for lash lift, chova-chova. Naman magkuhan ako
Sky, you're in the video, ha? You're pretty, don't worry.
Yeah, your skin is skin glass. Unlike ours.
There's no saliva at the moment.
Sige ba kay
Parati yan kay Anne. When? So, Anna, my dear friends, that's Anna. Ang madaldal na Gina. Si Sky. Sky, it's done. How do you like it, bebe? Pretty?
Lagyan mo lang ng ano din, ng mascara, Sky. Gaganon siya.
Okay. I don't really wear mascara.
Oh, you have now, darling.
You have two, darling.
Eh, ano na, you're getting, ano tawag dito?
Simple lang kasi yan, Day. Huwag mo nang turuan.
Ah, dapat turuan natin.
Wag! Pagalitan tayo ng nanay niyan. Sige ka.
No, I just don't like to wear it. Because I sometimes go like that a lot to my eyes.
Get the smudgy one or the mascara. Because you have beautiful eyes. You know, like, I wish my eyes like that. You know, like, it's not like bigger.
But it's big.
Well, okay. But it's a, you know, like, beautifully big. You know me.
So, ang gagawin ni Anna ay... Anong gagawin mo, Day?
Unlike mine, I got a big face and small eyes. I don't like it.
Why is it called then?
Huh?
Monkey?
What do you mean, monkey?
What are you gonna do with me, Day?
Flash left
Oh,
and send.
explain!
Ayun na, huwag na mag-explain dahil mahirap na dahil.
Dahil vlog kayo siya, baka ma-famous ka na, mag-viral ka
Uy!
na.
Oh my gosh, napay KFC, man!
Wala na. I-post niya yan,
Ipapost ko ni Day.
Side hustle after KFC, maligyan chicken, mangwan.
Damaligyan chicken karon nag-side hustle.
Yeah.
So,
matinding pangangailangan. Madami akong credit card babayaran.
Working hard talaga, no?
So, mag-eyelashes, lip siya. Ayan, dyan.
Wala na kayo makita ako ng guwapa na kamo. You like video?
Wow.
You like it?
Yeah.
Is it nice? Super.
Like that.
Yeah.
Ayan, gawaan kita bago ako aalis, ha?
Po, sige po. Pareho.
It's taken, still can't help falling in love. Can't take the hint and give up.